G'day guys and welcome back, and today we have another project in, another filthy one from the same place that the little Shindaiwa 152 came from and the Husky 162 I believe it is. Yes, 162. Had me confused for a minute there. But this is a Partner 650. Virtually the same saw to the Partner S65 that I have down here. Very, very similar. This is already undone, so I can just take this straight off. You'll see a whole lot of similarities between the two, to the point where I believe this is just the newer version of that saw down there. Straight away you notice the air filter's off, which isn't great because that lets a bit of dirt and grime and whatever down into the or into the crankcase cylinder, but it does look pretty clean inside that carby, so I think the choke has been closed while that's been open. Well, it seems pretty complete. Running out of space here. Clutch all seems alright. Not too much wear on the spurs there. And I do have a bar and chain set here that I've picked out. This is a Windsor bar and it's a steel chain actually. 3/8 pitch, which I'm hoping this is 3/8 pitch as well. I believe it should be. But we're going to go through this thing as per usual. It does have pretty nice compression, so we'll give it a little bit of fuel down the carby, see if it fires off. And then from there we can toy around, sharpen this chain up, dress this bar all nicely, get everything nice and spick and span, and whack it on, and hopefully we can find the air filter for it. I don't think I've got it in the parts that I got with those saws, unfortunately, but maybe I can chase it up, see if I can get one. And then we can try and take it for a cut, hopefully. So let's get into it. is the Partner 650 finally done. This thing's been sitting there forever waiting for me to get to it. But I finally got in, swapped the carby over from the one on my S65, which is basically the same model except a bit earlier, I believe. And it sounds pretty good. Did a little bit of tuning to get it right, and sharpened up that chain, gave that bar a nice dress, and they came out pretty well. But yeah, this is a pretty nice, I was going to say little, but it's not exactly little, saw. So I've already had it out there washed, as you saw, and it's going up for sale as always. But yeah, I'm pretty happy to finally get that done. So as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.